Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you won't miss any new videos from me. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your background in your Skype video. So all you need to do is just click Skype and then click the three dots here, settings, click that one. And after that, look for the audio and video. Click it. And as you can see, this is my monitor. Haha. And you can blur it, or you can use this animal, or this like home office, or lobby, or anything in there. And I'll show you. Oops, there you go. Your background is different now. So for us to try it, close this one and then try to call this guy. And the background is changed. Yay! So here. Hi. Yeah, totally changed. So I hope this video helped you and see you on my next video. Bye!